Hi, my name is Piers Stobbs and I'm the Chief Data Officer at Cazoo. Cazoo is I was going to say a startup, but we actually just went public on the New York Stock Exchange, so I guess I can't really say that anymore, but we were a startup. It's been a rollercoaster ride for the last 2 years, but we are attempting to revolutionise in the UK how used car buying works, and it's been incredibly successful so far. One of the core drivers of our success has been data, and I kind of head up everything around that within the organisation. And of course, we've gone from obviously a few people to now over 2,000, and clearly scaling our organisation has been one of the challenges. And so I was very keen to identify a way to help us identify talent from a broad array of different backgrounds, and also improve the process rather than sort of having to manually scan through vast numbers of CVs to try and identify exactly the right candidate. I was interested in, approaches that would help us improve that and make it easier to find those candidates. And frankly, I stumbled across Alooba completely randomly. I think there was a message on LinkedIn or something like that I came across, and it sort of was intrigued. The team is truly sort of impressive in terms of how they're able to adapt and build out the platform. But I think what I was most pleased by was, I guess, the flexibility in how you can create tests and kind of aptitude approaches to assess candidates and really sort of tailor that to your specific requirements. But then I guess the most important thing was almost the model, the approach, the fact that you basically encourage anyone who's applying to take these tests. There's no sort of cost per applicant or anything like that. And that fundamentally changes the paradigm of recruiting, because you really do try and reach as many people as possible. And that's where the benefit comes, because you identify people that on paper, if you look at the CV, you really might not consider. But then you compare that with the test that comes through and you can identify, real sort of star candidates. And that to me is the real sort of bounty, because you're loading your pipeline with a more diverse set of people from different backgrounds, because previously you may well have not considered them because of a CV, but also a stronger set of candidates because you know that technically they all can do what you need them to do. So we started using it probably a year or so ago, and the results have been remarkable in that our recruitment process has definitely improved. Like, it's got much easier to screen hundreds of candidates because you just get everyone to take this test, and you can start by using that as a filter instead of, I don't know, what school or university they went to or whatever it might be. And, also fundamentally, the diversity of our pool has definitely improved. So we just have many more candidates from just different backgrounds, which I'm a huge believer in. It makes the team much better, it makes our output much better, and gives us just more voices in terms of building the best products and services that we can. So yeah, I'm a wholehearted advocate. We're very happy with the service, and we have absolutely plans to continue using it, probably expanding it outside of my remit around data and into other technical areas as well. I think there's lots of scope to doing that. So yeah, happy to be a testimonial for Alooba. I think they're a great company, a great team, and a great product. All good. Cheers.